Dog great, I got bird poop. Better go clean it, I guess.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
Don't you just love it when you find the perfect parking spot? You want to know the best part about parking far away? Getting to walk. You want to know the best part about walking? Getting to exercise. You want to know the best part about exercising? Losing weight. You want to know the best part about losing weight? Faster 0 to 60 times. That's why you should park further away, because parking by that math, parking farther away means better 0 to 60 times, fellas. Trust me, I'm Asian. I know what I'm doing. Time to take a break, relax, and just check out some mods. I love looking at mods. Damn, I want all of these. I wonder what my bank account's looking like. I could use some new mods for my Mustang. All right, let me just check over here real quick. Ah, damn it. I can't read. I've been waiting here for 7 days. Haven't eaten, haven't slept. Just waiting. Oh man, I love playing racing games. You know what my favorite part about playing racing games is? Upgrading. You know, getting down and dirty, remapping the ECU, and what the fuck is this shit? Bro, is that another Mustang? Is that another Mustang, bro? Yeah, it's another Mustang. Mustang. Ford Mustang, Mord Fustang. Look at all these Mustangs doing Mustang things. They had another, oh, no, it's just an EcoBoost. No, never mind. See, put a tune on or keep warranty. Put a tune on or keep warranty. Put a tune on or... Oh look, a Lamborghini Gallardo, oh boy. Oh wow, a new Acura NSX, yay, oh boy, yeah. Oh wow, a Huracan, more like a Hurricane, got him. Yo, is that a Skyline? Is this a Skyline? Skyline right-hand drive? Yo, that's JDM as fuck, boy. Auto Sham, damn, those gold wing doors be looking cooler than the Mercedes AMG. The AutoZam instruction manual, girl's my waifu, biatch. That's going to be it for this video. It's a little bit of different compared to what I usually do, a little change of pace. I'm going to probably try this out more. Other than that, thanks for watching. As always, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends, especially your non-car friends. If they don't get the jokes, just keep shoving it in their face until they stop becoming a freaking normie. Other than that, see you guys next time. Blade Angel out.